Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Friday Eve. I'm sitting here messing with some more pearls. I really do like the way these came out. How pretty, right? I went ahead and mixed these fake pearls, man-made pearls, with some glass beads, and I did make some more wire spacers. I really like the way the wire spacers look to close these pearls off. And then I went ahead and mixed them with some of the howlet beads and some natural stone beads, and then some other type of beads, and then made some custom charms to go with it. So I really do like the way they came out. 2, 4, 5. This is a 5-piece set. And then this is the container of beads that I got. I think it was 100. These are 10 millimeter, and I think it's, it don't say on here, but I want to say it's a 130, I think it is. And these are not really the ivory color like these right here. These are more like a ivory, like a real pretty ivory, like the color of pearls, and these look more whitish. They still look good though. They're really pretty, and I like the way they marry well with these other beads. Just made it. I really like the way they came out, especially with the custom charms, right? So really nice. And I had the idea, I was gonna just mix the howlet turquoise and the pearl bead together and just kind of make them like that, but I didn't like the way they looked. They needed just another hint of color, so I went ahead and just added the pink. So I like the way these look, and I think I'm going to go ahead and order some more pearls. I'm going to order, these are 10 millimeter. I think I'm going to order some 8 millimeter and also some 12 millimeter, which I think that these are 12 millimeter. So I am going to order some more because I really do like the way the pearls look. And then for a minute, I wasn't really sure how to be working with these man-made pearls, right? Because they really, to me, don't match with everything. You really got to do a lot. It seems like to kind of match them, because every bead does not match well with pearls. So I'm kind of sitting here having to kind of figure things out. So I was beading and then unbeading, beading and then unbeading, putting a bead with it, taking the bead off, and then I just ended up with this. So I really do like the way these came out. So I guess with a little effort, I can get some pretty stuff using these pearls, huh? And I stayed away from pearls, you know, but I think I did pretty good with these. So you guys let me know what you think about these. But anyway, Darlene and I for Jury by BDK. And guess what? We'll talk.